Have you ever felt like giving up, like the entire universe is conspiring against you? What if I told you a simple act of not giving up could lead you to change your life forever? Stay with me for the next 10 minutes and I will show you how a single decision turned a failure into a global phenomenon and how you can do it too. Meet Alex. Like so many of us, Alex had a dream to create a revolutionary app that would connect people across the globe. But here the twist, Alex had no money, no connections, and no experience, just a fragile notebook filled with ideas and unshakable belief. Alex trying to pitch his idea to investors. Investor 1, an app you think you can compete with the giants? Come back when you are realistic. After 27 rejection, anyone would have quit. Alex almost did. He threw his notebook in the trash that night, but something strange happened. A homeless man picked up the trash notebook and hands it back to the Alex. He said, "Do not give up. Sometimes it's the 28th try that changes everything." Alex looks at the man, confused but inspired. He retrieves the notebook. Alex started working without sleeping. Alex decided to give it one last shot. He studied harder, worked longer, and learned from every failure. Each no became fuel for his fire. Finally, Alex found one small investor willing to take a chance on him. The scene showed the app launching initially with only a handful of downloads. But then the unexpected happened. A single tweet from a celebrity using his app changed everything. Downloads skyrocketed overnight. And within a week, Alex's idea went viral. Alex app ranking on 1 on a globe chart. Alex is now on a stage giving a TED talk. He is holding the same notebook from the trash. Remember the man who handed me this notebook? I searched for him for years, but I never found him. Sometimes the people who save us come into our lives like angels, and their only mission is to remind us of our own strength. Alex's story is proof that failure is not the end, it's just a stepping stone. So here my question to you. What's your 28th try? What dream have you put on hold because the world said no? Drop a comment below and tell us your story. And remember, never giving up does not just change your life, it could inspire someone else to keep going too. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep chasing those dreams. You have got this. Success is just failure turned inside out.